To show or hide some notifications in the app list in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe up home screen to access the app screen, and then select settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility. And then tap accessibility. Select hearing enhancements. And then tap show notifications. Select settings. And then to show show notification in the app screen, tap show icon in the app list, switch until blue, and then to hide, tap switch until gray. If you tap switch until blue, you can find some notification in the home screen. And then if you tap show icon in the app screen, switch until gray, so notification will be hid from app screen or app list. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.